Dr. Yoshi. So I'm very happy to be here in Rajkot.
Thank you.
And perhaps you can explain us what are the main reasons for getting vitiligo?
Yes, Sigrid. That's very important question. See, leukoderma or vitiligo is described under the Kushta category in Ayurveda by Acharya Charaka. It was described as a Shvitra and we are saying it as a leukoderma. Leuko means white and derma means skin. So there will be a white patches on your body and according to modern science it's a loss of melanocytes and it's an autoimmune disease. Again here Ayurveda has a very classical description of vitiligo in our text. And the main predisposing factor is again here is diet. Inappropriate food combination means contradictory food is the main reason according to Ayurveda. Mainly there are three main reasons for this disease. It's autoimmune, we sometimes notice due to some hereditary factor, sometimes some drug induced in the previous years. There were lots of antibiotics the modern doctors were using like penicillins, chloramphenicol, or right now they are using the third and fourth generation of cephalosporin or quinolone groups medicine like ciprofloxacin or ofloxacin or norfloxacin or I can say right now levofloxacin. So this kind of antibiotics, if the patient took for long year for any infectious disease, they may induce leukoderma. Third and most important factor according to Ayurveda is your diet and lifestyle. Now the inappropriate food combination. What is inappropriate combination? See, in Ayurveda, we believe that if you are taking any milk products, for example, if you drink milk before 1 hour and if you are taking any onion, any garlic, any citrus fruits or any citrus drink like buttermilk or curd or yogurt or any meats or anything with the milk, it's causing opposite diet. And that's why if the patient is suffering from vitiligo, we advise him not to go for any opposite diet. And that's why we at Atharva, we develop a protocol for the diet. When a patient is suffering from vitiligo, we advise him to stop milk and milk products totally. Because if anything with milk can cause a contradictory food or opposite diet. And same way, there are lots of food combination that we can say inappropriate food combination. For example, if you are taking any fast food or any junk food and if after eating immediately if you are taking any cold drinks, any ice creams or any milk products, that can become a contradictory food. And that kind of contradictory food that create ama in your body. And see, ama is the main causative factor for all diseases and vitiligo is among these diseases. So I would like to advise all the vitiligo sufferers, first avoid contradictory food, and not only vitiligo but those who are taking inappropriate food combination in their regular diet and lifestyle. I request all of you to stop all this inappropriate food combination. The second predisposing factor is your stress and uneven lifestyle. Stress is become very common nowadays. We are enjoying all the gadgets in our life. We always take care of our gadgets like iPhone or our computers or our laptops or everything, but we never care for our body. It's also one kind of gadget. We never go for detoxify our body. Okay, so I would like to request you, as you are taking care of all the gadgets, this is very important gadget, your body, your mind, your soul. Ayurveda always believes in body, mind and soul. So please take care of your body, mind and soul. Do detoxification treatment like Ayurveda Panchakarma to eliminate all the toxins from your body. That is the important thing in your life. At least once in every 2 years, you just go for Ayurvedic Panchakarma treatment and even adopt meditation, adopt yoga, go for at least minimum 7 hours sleeps in a day. You just maintain your dietary habits, your proper schedules of lunch and dinner. Don't take overeating food or don't take leftover foods. You know, in Western countries, people are taking frozen foods or they are using leftover food because they don't have time to cook the food. So what they are doing, they once cook the food, put it in the deep refrigeration, and when they require, just they take it from the freeze, they just put it in the microwave oven and they make it hot and they are eating. So microwave oven food is also not one of the good thing for your lifestyle, for your diet. So here again, don't take that much alcohol. See, alcohol once in a while it's good for health, but if it becomes your habit, then it's also, we can say, it's a contradictory food combination. When you are taking all the foods and then after you're taking alcohol, then it's a kind of opposite diet. One more important factor I observe not only in India and in Western countries, now it's become common in India, interpersonal relationship. That is also a very predisposing factor. People don't care about their personal life, interpersonal life with their spouse or with their children or with their parents. Okay, Ayurveda always believes to respect our elders. So do respect your relationship. Do live your happy life with all your loving ones, because your loved ones are the important factor in your life. Money is not everything. Though money is important, but your life, your healthy life is important things for you. So the disease like vitiligo, it's increasing, and I observe that almost 2% across the globe people are suffering from vitiligo, and now it is increasing in India too. Even we are living in Gujarat, there are 2 out of 10 they are suffering from vitiligo. It means the ratio is almost 20 to 25%. So it's increasing. Why? Because of the lifestyle and diet style. So here again the vital role of Ayurveda comes. Ayurveda always believes that we are not the medicinal science, but we are the science of life. So here again I would like to tell you that if you are suffering from vitiligo, in other video you will find a cure patient at Atharva. It's Miss Kervi. She was also suffering from vitiligo. It was a very ideal case for vitiligo for us. When they came to us, she was just 2.5 years old. So it was very difficult to implement all the diet and lifestyle to her. So we made a protocol. We suggested her parents to adopt all the diet and lifestyle so she can get inspiration from them. So her parents also cooperated us. So with the treatment of Ayurveda, detoxification treatment, some Ayurvedic herbs we implemented to her, that is Viticare powder, vitiligo oil and cream that Sigrid you are also taking. So we adopted all the treatment protocols and we implemented on her. So by the grace of God, by the grace of Lord Dhanvantari, we became successful to cure her vitiligo successfully. She was having vitiligo on her face, on her eyelids and on her thighs. But when you go through the video of Kervi, you will find she is absolutely free from vitiligo. So this is the miracle of Ayurveda. I am not taking all the credits because I am just as a follower of Ayurveda. I am just implementing what I learned through Ayurveda, and I am just implementing on our patient at Atharva Ayurveda. So again, for the vitiligo patient, I would like to advise you, don't go for inappropriate food combination, that is opposite diet. Kindly manage your stress, because it's a killing thing for all these psychosomatic disorders like vitiligo and psoriasis. Do adopt meditation and yoga for your stress management. Make your life very healthy, very happy with the, using the potential of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is here to help you to get rid of all such kind of diseases like vitiligo and psoriasis. So do have faith in Ayurveda, do have trust in Ayurveda, do thoroughly follow the Ayurvedic principles, because we believe that Sarve Santu Niramaya means everybody should live healthy and happy life. Because we at Atharva, we believe that start living healthy. Do visit our website www.atharvayurvedia.com, means atharvaayurvedindia.com. There we are writing regular blogs on some diseases, some lifestyle, some diet, so you can be aware. Do subscribe our website so you can have all the blogs, you can read it, and you can adopt Ayurveda thoroughly. So again, I would like to thank you all for hearing me. Thank you. Namaste.